Welcome back to Naughty Pine Life, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you're having a great day out there. So we have a 2010 Dodge Grand Caravan with a 3.8 straight six. Not a straight six, it's a 3.8 liter 6-cylinder. And we've been having temperature issues inside. It's getting cold up here in Wisconsin, so we've been wanting to use the heat inside the van, and we'll turn the heat all the way up to hot, turn the blower motor all the way up, and we won't get any heat inside. It'll just blow cold air. So the first step we wanted to check was the thermostat, because that's the cheapest. And well, actually that's the second step. The first step we did was to check the fluid. The fluid level was good, so I decided to pull the thermostat off of the van and check it manually to see whether it was stuck open, stuck closed, or if it was functioning correctly. So what I did was I pulled it out and I stuck it in this pan and brought this water up to boiling, and I put the thermostat in it. Obviously water boils at 220 degrees, so this thermostat should, if it's operating correctly, open up. So let's pull this out and take a look at it. Hopefully, I'm hoping that the thermostat is still closed. It was closed when I pulled it out, which it should be. At ambient air temperature, the thermostat should be closed when you take it out, when you pull it out of the engine block. Now, however, since it's in this boiling water and I've had it in here for several minutes, it should be open, but I'm hoping it's going to be closed, because that'll mean that the thermostat is faulty, which is a very simple fix of the 2010 Dodge Grand Caravan. And I'll do a video showing you exactly where that is, how to change it. So let's take a look at this thermostat. I don't know if you can see here, but the thermostat is closed. So it's not opening up, allowing the coolant to enter the engine. And that tells me that this thermostat is garbage. So I need to order a new one. And I'll do another video on how to put the new one in. It's a very simple procedure on the 2010 Dodge Grand Caravan. So there you have it. How to test your 2010 Dodge Grand Caravan thermostat. If you like this video, please hit that like button. Drop a comment down below. Subscribe if you're new here. Join our Naughty Pine Life family today. And as always, stay safe, stay smiling, and stay tuned.